Hey everyone, in this video I wanted to show you how to use an app called OfferUp to buy and sell anything. Now OfferUp is very similar to using eBay, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, LetGo. Those are some of the competitors, but I really like OfferUp. It's one of my favorites. The one I use the most is Facebook Marketplace, and I have a different video about using that if you want to check that out. I'm going to go ahead and press get here and download the OfferUp app, and I'll walk you through the process. So OfferUp is for selling items locally. So on Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace, it works the same way. So it's going to ask for your zip code. Go ahead and type that in. And let me show you the app really quick. Let's focus on the buying part first. So on top here, you got pickup. So those are the things that are only available for pickup. And on the right side, you have shipping. So those are the things that people could ship to you. So you could choose that when you sell something. Is it available for pickup only or shipping only? And then underneath that, you could sort by newest, closest, and so forth. And you could set the price minimum and maximum. So that's what's going on top here. On the bottom, you have your home, which is the page I'm on now. Next to it is your inbox. So when you get messages, they'll show up here. Let's jump in all the way to the right. This is your sign in or log in. So you have to sign in or log in here to start making these transactions. So let me go ahead and do that. I'm just going to go ahead and sign in with Facebook. You could also do it with your email or your Google account. Now I'm logged in here. On the bottom here, I have to confirm my phone number. I'm going to jump in and confirm my phone number. Next, you could join through you. That's the last step of the process to verify your identity. I'm going to skip that for now. So one more thing I wanted to show you on the profile. If you go to your profile here on the bottom, if you press invite on top, and I'm going to leave my link on the bottom so you could get $5 off. But you could give $5 and get $5 by just referring people with your link here. So if you go ahead and click my link here, you could get $5 off and help me out. And then you could share your own link to invite other people. It's a really cool affiliate program that they have set up here. Next to the profile icon, there's the $sign. So here is your offers. So selling, buying, and so on are listed here. I'll show you the buying process, then we'll come back to selling. So back to the home icon. And here, let's say we wanted to buy this phone, for example. I could just click that. I could scroll down. I could see the price. I could see the location. I could see when it was posted. And then on the bottom, I could go ahead and make an offer, or I could just press ask to ask a question. And it's going to give you some options of predefined questions here where you could type your own. To make an offer, you could go ahead and press that, and you could make your offer right over here. In this case, they're only accepting full asking price, so it's not going to let you type in your offer. Let's look at something else here. If I wanted to do it for this, make an offer. And as you could see in this case, you could edit your offer and make it anything you want. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel out of here. Really, that's all there is to buying. So you decide pickup or shipping, jump between the two. If you want shipping and you wanted to buy this one, you could click it. Again, you could ask a question or you could make an offer just like that and you'll get the item. Now, let's go ahead and sell something. So I'm going to go to the $sign tab on the very bottom of the page. Let's go ahead and press that. And I'm going to sell something. So I'm going to go ahead and post an item right here by clicking that. And you could either use take a photo, so using your phone's camera, or select the photo. So let me go ahead and select the photo here. So I just chose 4 photos from my photo library of this brand new shoe here. And you could just name it, name, brand, model, and so forth. And I gave it a title. I'm going to press next. So then on top here, you have to choose a category. So clothing and shoes is correct here. Next, condition. So brand new, never used, all the way to very poor for parts. And I'm going to write a little description. And then I'm going to press next. And here you could either set your price to be firm or you could just type a price that could be negotiated here. I'm going to be negotiable in this case. I'm going to press next and go ahead and set a location. So I'm going to type in a zip code here and I'm going to press next. And that's all there is to it. So you could share on a Facebook timeline. Since I logged in with Facebook, I'm not going to do that now. I use Facebook Marketplace to share the same item. I'm going to go ahead and press post. I'm going to enable push notification. Just like that, it's online and buyers could make me an offer right now. You could also click the sell faster option and you could pay to promote it. So there's a 3-day free trial, or you could pay these promotional prices right underneath it. Again, this depends on what you're selling. And when you're done, just go ahead and press done, or you could share or do another post right on top of that. I'm going to say done here, and now we're all ready to go. Let me go back to the home page here. And one more thing I wanted to show you. On the very top of the page, you see those 4 squares. If you press that, it's going to let you look things by category. So if you were searching for cell phones, for example, it's just going to look at that category and show you items under that category here. So again, you have pickup and shipping as your options, but that square tab is category. Popular near me is what is set to by default. And on top of the home option, again, on the buying side, you could also search for things. So where it says OfferUp, you could just click that and search for iPhone, for example, or whatever you wanted. It's going to give you some options. Let's say I wanted to buy an iPhone X. I could go ahead and search for that. And then I could browse through some of these. As always, I could click one, I could read it, I could see the price, I could see where it's located. And this one is going to be able to ship for $5, and I could just go ahead and jump in and make an offer. Even if I wanted to make an offer for $400, I could just do that and send that offer. I'm going to cancel. And since I already have something for sale, so if I go to the dollar sign, you see selling and buying. These are the things that I have under my categories. I could now, if I wanted to sell another thing, press the camera icon on the bottom. That's the one I haven't covered yet. Go ahead and press the camera icon, and it takes you to that selling page that we already went through. So taking a picture, selecting a picture, giving it a title, and so on. That's to post more items. So under the dollar sign, you'll see all of them line up here. And under the dollar sign, you could also change your payments and receipts. If you click that, you see your account here. You could go ahead and add a credit card. By default, it's set to Apple Pay. And under transactions, you could see your payments transaction if you have any. I don't have any at this time on this account. So between those options, I hope you found this video useful and you could use it to buy or sell anything online using OfferUp. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for daily tech videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.